Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This video brings to you a modern off-grid container guest house designed from a single 40-foot high cube shipping container. Stay tuned for inspiring minutes of amazing good design. Good, welcome back. This video brings to you Guest Box 320. This is a shipping container guest house made up of 320 square feet of shipping container space plus additional outdoor living space. In this presentation, we explore foundation design, interior design, exterior design and finishes, roofing, landscaping, and eco-friendly fixtures that are ideal for an off-grid guest house made from a shipping container. Watch the video up to the end for full dimensioned floor plans and a complete set of all drawings. In addition, we will also give you a cost estimate checklist to help you in your own shipping container guest house project. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for our inspiring weekly videos on amazing designs from shipping containers. So, let's get started. We have ingeniously managed to accommodate the following salient features. We have two bed spaces or bedrooms, if you may call it, with fully fitted wardrobes on either ends of the shipping container. We also have a full bathroom that is shared. We have an open plan indoor living space. We have a small kitchenette and a generous outdoor living. In this design, we've retained the original cargo doors, which we've managed to fit out a nice outdoor bathroom that is secluded with nice dark painted louvered doors. This 40-foot shipping container cabin sits on a steel pier foundation to elevate it off the ground. This light foundation permits continuous airflow to keep the container cool, and also it helps us to keep the container from moisture, thus enabling easy plumbing. The underside space is fitted with a rust-proof mesh wire to prevent birds and animals from perching underneath. For more information, you are encouraged to go through our previous presentation on the top 5 foundation types used in shipping container homes and buildings to understand more on foundation design. The elevated foundation provides a good position to construct a 2.7-meter wide deck that has been given in this design. A deck is a quick and an easy way to add extra living space to complement the compact living space inside a shipping container. In this cabin, the main entrance opens onto a large elevated deck off the front edge, greatly extending the compact living space. The cabin front has a nice, welcoming and generous full-height sliding glass door for access and also for maximum daylighting, connecting the cabin seamlessly to the outdoors and the surrounding landscape. The entire deck is fitted with grey painted, louvered and lockable folding doors to enhance privacy when the cabin is in use, and also for maximum security to the cabin when it's not in use. You can therefore lock your cabin and leave it safely. To complement the industrial look of a shipping container, this guest house has been given a minimalist design to enable us make the narrow space inside this shipping container to feel surprisingly spacious. What have we done? The interior of the cabin is lined with an appropriate insulation material depending on the climate of where you want to build. This design would be very ideal for tropical climate. Without insulation, the cabin would be like an oven in summer and freezing in winter. Insulation is also essential to prevent condensation, which can corrode the container and cause mold formation. You are encouraged to watch our previous presentation on 8 ways on how to insulate a shipping container house for more understanding. Ensure all the electrical and plumbing works are fitted out before lining the interior. Furniture choices should also be made with space saving in mind. You are encouraged to use multifunctional transformative furniture and other space-saving furniture ideas such as Murphy beds, sofa beds, pull-down tables, stackable chairs, foldable chairs, and any other furniture that you find appropriate. Feel free to check out our previous video on space-saving furniture ideas for shipping container homes for more insight. In this design, the kitchen backsplash and the bathroom walls can be covered with a similar material. This repetition of material use makes for a nice cohesive interior design that unifies the space and making it appear bigger and brighter. For eco-friendly finishes, consider using bamboo plywood. Bamboo is renewable, durable, and is also a good material that can be used on both the floor and the walls of your shipping container cabin. More importantly, this project was designed as an off-grid shipping container guest house, and therefore the message of environmental sustainability is at its forefront. It is adorned with several eco-friendly design elements such as, firstly, to reuse a one-trip shipping container for a new and a permanent use as a habitable space. In this particular case, as a guest house is the best and optimal way of recycling. Basically, we call it upcycling. Like in this case, reusing a single 40-foot shipping container upcycles about 3,500 kilograms of steel and enables us to save over 8,000 kilowatts of energy that would have been used to melt it down. Secondly, if you are toying with an idea of constructing this particular cabin and you live in a region that receives more than 6 hours of sunshine, then consider installing photovoltaic panels on the roof to generate electricity from solar to run the cabin. You are also encouraged to consider installing a solar water heating system. Another green idea on this design is that the deck and the container are covered with corrugated steel roofing, which is elevated above the containers to protect it from direct sunlight and also inclement weather. The underroof space is fitted with a rust-proof mesh wire to prevent birds and animals from perching. The roof also acts as a rainwater catchment surface to collect rainwater for non-drinking uses of the cabin. Another green idea we've managed to encourage is that to cover off the large and bare walls of the container, a mesh wire is welded onto the exterior of the shipping container to accommodate vines and climbers, which will help introduce a bit of greenery and will also further insulate the exposed container walls from direct solar radiation. Another idea you can explore in this particular cabin is that all the water from the shower and the sink can be captured in a grey water storage tank and later used to irrigate the garden and the flowers around the shipping container cabin. Maximizing space in this particular container cabin should be of utmost importance. The 300 square feet bathroom can also be fitted with a solar-powered composting toilet. If this is the case, then the shower cubicle should be enclosed for privacy with a sliding glass door to also help keep the toilet dry at all times. You can finish off the bathroom with a non-slip floor finish and a nice waterproof finish for the walls. In addition, consider using composite decking as an alternative material to conventional timber. Composite decking is warm to the feet and also resistant to the toughest weather conditions, which will make it a great low-maintenance alternative to timber and any other material, and making it suitable for an off-grid container cabin. For economic sustainability, consider having the cabin listed on a vacation rental platform like Airbnb to earn some extra income and also for self-sustenance. So if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, feel free to subscribe, because we will be bringing a detailed video on a step-by-step process of constructing this particular shipping container guest house for those who love DIY projects, or for those who are even considering buying blueprints and giving them to a fabricator or a contractor to help them bring it to life. What do you feel about this new container cabin design? Do you have any questions? Feel free to ask by posting in the comments below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next video.